On the night of February 14th, 2015, while the rest of the world was celebrating Valentine's Day, one man sat alone in a dark room, fingers moving across a keyboard, executing the most sophisticated bank robbery in human history. No guns, no masks, no getaway car, just code. By sunrise, $1 billion had vanished from over 100 banks across 30 countries. And the most terrifying part? Not a single bank knew it had happened yet. The money was simply gone. This is the story of the Carbanak gang, a ghost organization, a group of cyber criminals so advanced, so disciplined, and so invisible that they operated undetected inside the world's banking systems for almost 2 full years before anyone even noticed something was wrong. It began with a single email, just one. A bank employee in Ukraine had received what appeared to be a completely normal message from a colleague. He opened it, he clicked the attachment, and in that single moment, without knowing it, he had just handed the most dangerous hackers on the planet the keys to his entire bank. The malware they used was called Carbanak, a program so sophisticated it could watch everything, every keystroke, every transaction, every password, every move made by every employee inside the bank. The hackers didn't need to break in, they were already inside, watching, learning, waiting. For months, sometimes up to 4 months at a single bank, they did nothing. They simply observed. They studied how the bank moved money. They memorized the daily routines of employees. They learned the exact language the bank used internally. They became ghosts living inside the system. Then came the moment they had been preparing for. Using everything they had learned, the Carbanak gang began moving money. Slowly at first, small amounts, transfers that would never raise a flag. But as their confidence grew, so did the numbers. $10,000 became 100,000. 100,000 became 1 million. One of their most brilliant tricks was something called the ATM attack. They would hack directly into an ATM machine, program it to dispense cash at a specific time, and simply have one of their people standing there waiting to collect it. No card, no account. Just a machine handing over cash like a vending machine giving out snacks. In Russia alone, ATMs were dispensing cash to waiting gang members at 2 a.m, 3 a.m, 4 a.m, like clockwork. The bank's own machines were being used against it, and the banks had absolutely no idea why their ATMs were emptying themselves in the middle of the night. By the time investigators finally began connecting the dots, the damage was catastrophic. $1 billion stolen from over 100 financial institutions across 30 countries, including Russia, Japan, Switzerland, the United States, and the Netherlands. It was the largest cyber bank robbery ever recorded in human history. Interpol, the FBI, Europol, and cybersecurity firms from around the world launched a coordinated manhunt spanning multiple continents. The investigation took 2 years, and when they finally identified the leader, the man behind the entire operation, what they found shocked everyone. His name was Sergei Lublin, and he was not some shadowy criminal mastermind living in a bunker. He was an ordinary-looking man, quiet, unremarkable, the kind of person you would pass on the street and never look at twice. He was arrested in Alicante, Spain in 2018, sitting in a restaurant having dinner, just like a normal person. $1 billion, 100 banks, 30 countries, 2 years undetected. And it all started with one employee opening one email. The most expensive click in banking history, If you found this story unbelievable, wait until you hear next week's. Subscribe, because it only gets stranger from here.